everyone, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to introduce addition to a young child. Here is a famous quote by Confucius. I hear, I forget. I see, I remember. I do and I understand. That means if you really want your child to understand any concept, allow him to do it by himself. Before starting addition, the child should know the numeral name and their symbol. Also, he should have the ability to associate the quantity to numerals and understanding of sequence. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. Materials for teaching the process of addition to a child should be simple enough, so the child can focus on the process itself rather than any complicated or distracting procedure leading up to the process. For teaching addition, you need objects to be added like stone, marble, button, small eraser, etc. The object should be countable, easy to handle by a child and easily available at your home. You also need number cards, cards for operator, plus and is equal to. In the place of cards, you can use wooden or plastic one. For a very young child, we will introduce plus sign as together with and equal sign as is same as. It will make more sense to the child. Once the child understands the concept, we will tell the child that together with is also called plus and is same as is also called equals. Let's see how we can teach the addition to a young child in a practical way. It is divided into 4 steps. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the step continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for the time. You can do it again after some time or another day. The first step is to make the child understand the nature of adding, that is all together. This work is called Introduction to Addition. Ayash, today we are going to learn addition. Can you count 4 ducks on your hand?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayash, let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I am going to count 3 ducks on my hand. 1, 2, 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. You have 4 ducks. I have 3 ducks. Let's put them together. How many ducks we have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. 7 ducks we have all together. 4 together with 3 is same as 7. Second step is to introduce the operators plus and is equal to. For this, we use the 3-period lesson technique. 3 period includes naming, recognizing and remembering. The first period is naming, that means introducing the operators to the child. The second period, which is to recognize the operators. Here we ask the operator's name to the child, like show me together with, and the child has to recognize it by keeping his finger on the operator. The third period is remembering. Here we show the operator and ask the child, "What is this?" And the child will tell the name of the operator. Let's see how to do so. Ayash, this says together with.
This is together with.
This says is same as.
This is same as. Together with is same as. Together
Ayash,
with same
show me together with. Show me is same as.
as.
What is this, Ayash?
Together with.
What is this, Ayash?
Same as.
Very good. Now the child is familiar with the addition symbols together with and is same as. It is time to move to step 3, which is solving simple addition sums. Ayash, 2 together with 3 is same as. Let's find out. 2. Can you count 2 ducks here?
2. 1, 2.
Can you count 3 ducks here?
1, 3, 2, 3. 1, 3. 2, 3.
Good. We'll put them together. Can you count how many ducks we have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. 2 together with 3 is same as 5. Can you keep 5 here?
5.
Very good. Ayash, can you read this?
2 together with 3 is the same as 5.
Good job, Ayash. Fourth step is to teach the child the words that signify addition. Introduce terms such as all together, put together, how many in all, total, and sum that commonly indicate a child will need to add 2 or more numbers. To make the child understand these terms, we can take help of story sums. Ayash, today we are going to play a game. I have 2 friends, Navya and Anay. Navya has 2 toffees and Anay has 4 toffees. Please count, Ayash.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey.
Now tell me how many they have all together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good, they have 6 toffees all together. 2
Together with
4
4
is
is same as
same as 6.
6. 2 together with 4 is same as 6.
Very good. Ayash will play again. We'll keep all the things back. Now I have one friend Navya. Okay? Navya has 3 toffees. I gave her 4 toffee more. Can you count?
1, 2, 3. एक और लगाने पड़े ये तो
Can you count 4? Good. Now, can you tell me how many does she have in all?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. She has 7 toffees in all. 3
3
together with 4
same is
7.
7.
Very good. Ayash, can you read it?
3 together is 4. The same as 7.
Good. With this step-by-step approach, the child will develop growth towards more abstract operations. This will introduce a child to the process of addition, will teach him addition and equal sign, and also introduce him to the words that signify addition. Thank you for watching my video. If there is anything else you want me to cover in my future videos, don't forget to give me your suggestion as a comment under this video. Please press the subscribe button and bell icon next to it, and also give me thumbs up so that we keep producing such videos for you.